Morning, 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 baby. How are we? Are we all there? Please tell me we are. Yes. Just finished my workout and I'm pumped. I'm pumped, baby. Guys, wanted to say something. I might have touched upon this before. Short, powerful statement. You've got to go through the worst of times to get to the best. Okay? No matter what, keep pushing on to that destination. You know what it is you want. Keep going. Just keep going, baby. Let's have a lit day. It's Thursday. No! Week. Stop going fast. Let's get it. Guys, I'm just firing through the technical rundown for the members. And my goodness, just look at this. Whoa! Chart analysis just got a whole lot sexier, baby. This is insane. Man. Oh, this doesn't even do it justice on this camera. I tell you, it doesn't. I still got to sort out these two screens later on today. I need to get another connector. But yeah, this is madness.